Think saving the planet means giving up style, fun, or creativity? Think again. Today, we're diving into 5 mind-blowing DIY eco-friendly trends that are easy, affordable, and incredibly cool. And yes, you can totally do them yourself. Let's start with eco-bricks. Instead of tossing out soft plastics like chip bags and wrappers, pack them tightly into empty plastic bottles. What you end up with isn't just trash. It's a sturdy eco-brick. These bricks are being used around the world to build benches, garden beds, and even entire houses. It's recycling taken to a whole new level, transforming waste into something truly useful. Next up, DIY natural cleaners. If you're tired of harsh chemicals and endless plastic bottles, this trend is a game changer. With simple ingredients like white vinegar, citrus peels, baking soda, and a few drops of your favorite essential oil, you can create a powerful, all-natural cleaner right at home. It's safe, effective, and leaves your space smelling fresh. No toxins required. Now, let's talk about upcycled fashion. Instead of buying new, breathe new life into old clothes. That oversized t-shirt? Turn it into a stylish crop top. Those worn-out jeans? Cut and stitch them into a one-of-a-kind tote bag. You can even dye fabrics naturally using ingredients like turmeric, red cabbage, or avocado pits for unique colors and patterns. Sustainable style has never looked better. Short on space? No problem. Try building a vertical garden with recycled materials like plastic bottles, tin cans, or wooden pallets. Grow your own herbs, leafy greens, or even small fruits right on your wall or balcony. It's compact, beautiful, and brings a little green to any corner of your home. And finally, DIY beeswax wraps. Ditch single-use plastic wrap for reusable, washable wraps made from cotton fabric and beeswax. They're perfect for keeping food fresh and are easy to make with just a bit of heat. It's a small switch that makes a big difference. Ready to get started? Embrace these simple, smart, and sustainable ideas, because going green should always be fun, creative, and totally you.